Spin Master Monster Jam Series 40 Avenger. The BKT lettering on the tires, kind of lime green wheels, silver chassis, roll cage, a black base, and then we get the green body that we have been waiting for a long time. There's the skull and the flames, Monster Jam logo, another sponsor, and the name of the truck on the side. Coming to the front of the truck, there we go, the green headlights and the grille right there. And then here is the other side, the opposite side, and then in the back. And then we have this little guy back here, and I'm not sure what he is supposed to be. Looks like a little duck or something. So if you guys know what that is supposed to be, it looks like he is on tires also. So yeah, and it looks like he has his little tail. I might be mistaken, but if you guys know, anyone knows what that is supposed to be, let me know down in the comments. And then we have the skull on the hood of the truck, and then some more flame jobs going on the top of the vehicle, and then on the tailgate also. I just call that area the tailgate. But there we have it, Avenger in Series 40. Really like this one. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for tuning in.